We might be a little better lit now. I forgot to turn the key light on. Yeah, I only have to say 2 words to win this category.
3 against 1.
Oh, goodness.
Fight!
So today we're doing a versus episode. We're doing a little bit different today. Instead of comparing 2 locations, we're comparing 2 Dollywood festivals. So I'm
on Daddy's side. I'm on Daddy's team.
All right.
Oscar's on our side.
3
Daddy?
against 1.
Oh dear. And what side are you defending?
We will be defending the Spring Flower and Food Festival.
And I will be defending the Smoky Mountain Summer Festival.
Not the Smoky Mountain Knife Works?
No, and not Smoky Mountain Christmas. No, we're going to be doing summer. So we're going to go over 8 categories. We're going to go over price. We're going to go over parking, which is going to, we'll get to it. It's going to make sense.
It's the same parking lot.
It's going to make sense. We're going to go over their histories, time spent, family friendliness, wow factor, amenities.
Pause. Oscar is going to be doing our wow factor.
Okay.
I'm doing kid friendly and Daddy's doing family friendly.
Okay. Comment which festival you prefer, and then at the end of the video, go to our post tab and vote for who defended their side better. Let's start our battle. So let's talk about price. Price is the same. However, we're going to compare what you get for the price. For the summer, with the same admission price as the spring, you actually get extended hours. You get more hours. You get more access to outdoor play areas, like you get the water feature, you get the splash pads, you get more shows.
But the spring, you can budget in a tasting pass and get a real good deal on your food, especially if you've got a full family.
Hold on, I think summer has a tasting pass.
Wait, what?
I think summer has a tasting pass.
What?
Oscar, what were you doing again? Meow, meow, meow. Oh, yes, he's doing, what was he doing again?
Me wow.
Wow. Oscar's doing wow factors. Oscar, what wow factors have we done? Meow, meow, meow.
We're
Now,
not-
kid friendly. I'm doing kid friendly.
Now, with the extended hour with your admission during the summer, you also get the drone show / fireworks show.
I think you might take this category.
You have the fun festive floral displays all over the park.
Yeah, but that's not really price now, is it?
No, I guess not. All right, so 1 for summer. Okay, let's talk about
Wait, which one? Which point is...
She got a point.
What?
unique history is the next category. If you want to experience history during the summer, you can do it in their drone show. It's it goes through the different, or at least the one that we saw. It goes through the different roller coasters. So that was fun.
I guess you can call that history. Now, spring has a bunch of topiary sculptures and stuff like that, representing some of Dolly's songs throughout the years, therefore actually giving you some real history.
Well, it's kind of like its own story, the drone show. It is. It's like you're watching the theme park get built, but via drones. It's more, the festivals are representing the history of the park than actual history of the festivals.
I would say the Spring Festival is a little more Dolly history, where the Summer Festival is a little more park history. Is that fair?
Yeah, I would say that's fair.
Okay.
All right, Mal.
Yes, kid-friendly time?
No, I need you to help pick. Do you care more about seeing park history, or do you care more about seeing country music / Dolly history?
Which one of those are you?
It doesn't matter. That's skewing the result. You got to pick without knowing.
What? I want to pick Daddy's side.
All right.
I guess I win.
We'll go with the music / Dolly history. Let's talk about parking.
How we're handling that is by making sure I win. Spring has fewer people.
Yes.
Therefore, you can get closer to
The entrance. Okay.
You have less fighting of other cars when you're trying to get in and out. Parking is in general less stressful. You have less waiting to get your parking pass.
Yes, the less lines unless it's like opening day or a special event. Yeah.
Less time to
The
wait for the
summer-
tram because you don't have to wait for 5 to come by before you can get your seat.
We tend to park out in D for Dolly no matter when we go. But yes, summer is going to have more crowds for sure. With any theme park, it's going to have more crowds during the summer. So for ease of parking, yes, I think you take that category.
We won!
Yes! Did you hear that, Oscar? We won!
Let's go next to accessibility. That's going to be hard because, again,
It's going to be based on age ranges.
Malcolm, if you are in a stroller, okay, would you rather be in the stroller in the spring or in the summer?
Daddy, spring.
Yes.
So spring.
So spring.
So, spring is better for older and younger. Toddlers, grandparents,
Because of the weather?
because of the weather.
Okay.
Whereas summer is better for this age
'Cause of
because there are places for us to get rest while he goes and cools off.
Okay.
Because of the crowds, again, it's going to come back to crowds multiple times.
Oh, dear.
If you have a stroller or a wheelchair, it's going to be a little harder to make it through during the summer. So spring might be a little better for those types of vehicles. Might also be better for anyone who is not going to do well with a lot of heat.
I don't think summer wins this category because of the crowds.
I would agree.
So they win that category. I think we're going to redeem ourselves with time spent.
Not so sure.
Oh, what? What? Extended hours in the summer. You get to spend more time and enjoy yourself. And who loves to ride roller coasters at night?
I do love a good night roller
Thunderhead
coaster.
at night is amazing. You have to do it. It's amazing.
Okay, so you have longer hours. That's true. But I would argue, even with our shorter hours, you can get more rides in the spring. Therefore, you don't have to spend as long. You get more out of it. Better value, for sure. Speechless.
I don't know. That's tough for me because I do like short lines. But the extended hours, I like riding a roller coaster at night.
I also like riding a roller coaster at night. But on the flip side, I like getting 5 roller coasters in a day as opposed to 3.
Malcolm, what do you think? More rides or riding at nighttime?
If you ask,
He's
he's
just
on
gonna-
my team.
He's just going to pick
He's
you.
on my team.
Okay, this is another one that's hard to kind of rank. Value for time spent, yes, I get.
Which is what you always go to. That's how you get the wins in this category.
Oh, I think you might have me there. I think they get that point.
Woohoo!
So, how many points do we have?
No idea.
I've lost count. Now let's talk about wow factor.
Wow.
You guys want to go first on this one?
Because Oscar does wow factor. Oscar does wow factor. Oscar, what wow factor do we have? Meow, meow. Oscar is saying that Thunderhead is a wow factor.
So, 500,000 flowers.
What?
If you're into greenery or plants, wow.
Or like the Epcot flower festival that they have,
Oh, and
but instead of Disney characters, it's
and
Dolly related.
and they have blue flowers, and one of my favorite colors is blue. So I'm gonna pick one, and then that would make it the 104, not 5, the 4.
So, what's the wow factor? Oh, hold on. Hold on. I think the tasting pass, the specialty foods are a little more on theme in the spring.
Okay. I only have to say 2 words to win this category.
Drone show?
Drone show.
the food is more special in spring because it's like in the ice cream and all the sugar are like themed like flowers and makes it more pretty. So
Yes, that's true.
I
But
think we win that.
but drone show.
I guess it really depends on how much you care about a drone show.
It was
Drone
epic.
show.
It was epic. It was amazing. And it had fireworks, pyrotechnics in the drone show. Drones were spitting out fireworks. It was crazy. It was amazing. The drone show is epic. The drone show is the wow factor.
It's a very good drone show. I prefer plants.
Me too.
I'm taking this category. I am.
But us, but we're three people. Oscar, me, Daddy.
We can let her have one. We'll still win.
Okay, so for amenities, I kind of already said the splash pad gets turned on, different splash pad areas, water play areas, specific outdoor shows, the bubble show.
Yeah, our big claim to fame is
The tasting pass.
tasting pass, which you also have one.
But as he pointed out, it's probably a better tasting pass during your time because it's more focused on it's a flower and food.
Yes.
What I was trying to say, it's a flower-shaped dessert, and it's all flowers, so it may hit the theme better than just real desserts.
So we've got a stronger tasting pass, but you have bubble shows and splash pads.
I think
No, we have bubble shows and splash.
No, you don't.
Mommy does.
I think that summer gets the amenities category.
Wait,
Yeah.
we were summer.
We're
No,
spring.
you're spring.
Oh, sorry.
You tried to switch sides on me when you found out the splash pads. All right, now I believe this one is your category: family and kid friendliness.
Kid friendliness.
So
Kid friendly?
why is the flower and food festival in the spring more kid friendly?
Because kids love sugar. Plus, it's at the playgrounds. There may have flowers on the playground, and you can push it down the slide and like follow it, and then you may slide on the flower and pick up a petal.
But in the summer, they open up the splash pads.
Oh yeah.
And they have more kid-related shows, like the bubble show.
Yeah. I think summer has more kid friendly.
I think summer might win that one too.
Well, it depends on the age of your kids.
That's true.
Because if you've got toddlers, spring is more chill. You've got street performers. Yeah. You've got better temperatures.
Yeah, so spring is less stimulating,
Yes.
I guess. Okay.
Summer is overstimulation to the max. So I think it depends on age. This might be a draw.
All right. This one can be a draw.
So 2 points.
Yeah, I think we each get a point there. They're both pretty family friendly, but for different reasons.
Yeah, different groups of different types of families.
Yeah, depending on the age of your kids.
Who defended better? And bring up the category and see who's better.
And the winner is
The Spring Flower and Food Festival.
Yay!
Yay!
Oscar, say yay.
Yay!
Let's sum up the festivals, like what is best for what. Like if you're looking for a chill time, walking around, looking at topiaries, enjoying some good food, then spring.
Yeah, easy to get on rides, easy to get through the park, easy on the people as far as temps and stress levels. So if you're looking to be chill in all senses of the word, go spring.
If you like excitement, if you like roller coasters at night, if you like a good drone show, and I mean a good one, plus splash pads to cool off, go summer. Bye.
I get overstimulated. I'm going to stick with spring. Bye.
Hey,
Summer.
everyone, choose me, Daddy over there, and Oscar right there.
Yep. Who defended their side better?
Yes, it's gonna be us, cause I know you're gonna pick us, cause we're more, even though Mommy
What? Go to the post tab and vote for who defended their side better. This might be the first time where I'm like, no, summer is better. And you're like, no, spring is better. This is the first time we're like really at odds.
With Daddy, me, and Oscar, we're gonna win because we have more people and more super wow factor.
I think I won wow factor. Drone show. Comment your favorite festival. It doesn't even have to be this spring or summer.
Let us know if we missed an important point in our argument.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna argue with Mommy that our side's better.
All right. Bye.
All right, bye.
Bye. Hit subscribe if you want to watch the next video. Bye.